This is the first in a series of lessons all about tables. We'll start our journey by looking at a table that I've already got on the screen here. It's only a little one, but as you can see it looks rather nice, it's formatted quite easily, and I did that in a very short space of time, and you're going to be able to do that too. Tables live up on the insert ribbon, so we'll start up there. They have a group of their own, the tables group, and in the drop down list there are various ways of adding tables to your document. We're going to focus for this lesson on tables using the squares, and I'm just going to choose 2 by 1 table, which means 2 columns on 1 row, and there I've got my nice table, and I'm going to type my headings. So I'm going to start off with drink and the price when it's a takeout. And it's quite easy. I'm using the tab key to move between the cells of a table, and when I'm in the last cell, by pressing the tab key I get a new row. So you can see that it's very simple to type tab, and then I can pop in my price. That cappuccino is £1.90. Use the tab key again to get my hot chocolate. Tab across, pop in my price. Really, it's just like magic. So here I can add in my items one by one. So now when I press the tab key I end up with an extra row. We'll find out how to get rid of that in a moment. First of all, let's see how we can get this lovely formatting. We'll do that by making sure that the cursor is inside the table, and we're going to use this area up top here called Table Styles. And we can use the scroller to scroll between the styles, and when you hover your mouse, as you can see, it applies that style to the table, and you can see what it looks like so that you can choose which one you want. So I'm going to go for this one, very similar to the one I've got up there. The only difference is here I haven't got my headings in orange, and they're not quite so big. So I'll select that row at the top, I'll come back to my home ribbon, I'll make the font orange and bold, and I'll take it up in size a few notches, and now I've got a table that looks very similar to the one up here. The other thing that's different is the width of these columns, and we're going to see how we can add some columns and add some rows or delete rows and change the sizing and general layout of the table in the next lesson.